Here we are, you guys. Welcome back. As you can see by these incredibly intimidating mountains around me, we're in the middle of nowhere, out in the desert in Nevada, and we've got a couple cars to drive, okay? If you missed the first couple videos in the series, I did an entire rundown and drive with the IROZ Motorsport 8Y RS3, brand new, not available in Canada. And then of course back there's the previous generation RS3. Check out Adam's videos for that one as well. But here's a quick POV video with the 8Y. As you guys can see, it's in this Tango red, pops and actually kind of resembles very vaguely the landscape behind us, which is kind of nice. It's hot out today. It's about 87 Fahrenheit, very hot. We've already kind of heat soaked the cars, so I'm hoping this goes relatively well. My voice is already also kind of fading. As you guys can see, optics package on this one spec'd out. So it's all black on the front there. We come around, it is on lowering springs. It's on Hankook Ventus RS4's factory setup as a 265 on the front and a 245 in the rear. Now we've got a 285 on the front, super fat tires on the front, and then stock 245s in the rear. And then back here we can see a bit of the view of the back. It's got a custom exhaust, and let's go for a drive. And I'll talk a little bit more about what else we have going on. That's a must in the desert. Don't want to die out here. Oh, it's 88 now, so I lied. It's not 87. All right, got the Volkswagen-esque GTI shifter there. Not trying to get air today. We'll save that for the Evos. God, just so much grip. If you want the full rundown as far as IROZ parts go on this car, you can check out my full review on the car. We talked to Hank from IROZ. We slid the car, which is a lot of fun. He kind of freaked me out a couple of times with, of course, the new differential in the back. And if we wanted to, I'm not going to on this drive, but if we hit RS mode, that'll bring up our auto drive select, and we could hit RS torque rear, of course, which enables true torque vectoring with that new rear differential. Big blow off there. I'll be driving in performance mode, as we can see. More aggressive, later upshifts, earlier downshifts, better throttle response. As you guys can see though, even lower RPM, 3,000 RPM, we'll go down to third gear. I mean, it feels like it's spooled by 3,500 RPM. Just ridiculous fast, incredibly fast, very smooth. And this is a package that you can get from IROZ in which the hardware will not soon need to be replaced. It's a thing where once they fully unlock the 8Ys ECU, then this hardware should do you all the way up to 1,000 horsepower, easy. So with the flash tune, it's a blast. So hopefully you guys got a little bit of a taste here of just how planted and well-behaved the new RS3 is from a POV perspective. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you haven't checked out the full video on this, the link is in the description. You can check out Adam's videos from Vancity Audi. His are up there as well. Thank you so much for watching. This trip to Nevada has been one of my favorite trips, and it's been so much fun learning about all these performance cars, fuel and safety and all that stuff when it comes to tuning these beautiful sounding 5-cylinder engines. So thanks guys for watching. We'll see you soon.